Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This centralizes all parental controls. Once done, choose This is my child's iPhone to lock controls to the child's device. If you're configuring remotely, enable family sharing first. Now set a screen time passcode you will remember. This prevents changes by the child. Make sure to enable Use Screen Time Passcode and optionally link your Apple ID for passcode recovery, because without it, you could be locked out of changes later. Next, configure downtime to block apps during homework and bedtime. You pick start and end times and what's allowed. Then add app limits. Tap Add Limit, choose categories or specific apps, and set daily time caps. You can customize weekdays versus weekends. Use Always Allowed to exempt phone, messages, or educational apps so essential functions remain. Make sure to review communication limits and set who the child can contact during allowed and downtime periods to protect. Finally, enable content and privacy restrictions and enter the screen time passcode so settings stick. You'll restrict explicit content, set web filters, block in-app purchases, and limit location or account changes. Each toggle explains why it matters. Turn on Ask to Buy for purchases by children and enable Share across devices to see reports from all linked devices. If something fails, restart the iPhone and confirm the child's Apple ID is part of your family sharing. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.